how does it connect together to cover up the motor?
These two clips snap into a slot on the back of the motor arm, right there. And then these two clips hold on to this. There's two little scallops right there that go into, you know what they did? They sent us the wrong one. So, what's that saying? Sometimes you get the bear and sometimes the bear gets you. Well, I've got claw marks all over me. Cow, it's raining. No, I mean it's really raining. Thunder, lightning and the thunder. Today's another travel day, and the forecast said some showers overnight. But hey, we're in Arizona, and what's usual is that it rains on one block and the next is dry. And yeah, most folks wouldn't call it rain, more like a sprinkle. So I usually do most of the outside prep work the day before, just to make it easier the morning of. Well, I must have felt it wouldn't be a big deal to leave a few more things than usual to do in the morning. Bad idea. Bad idea. It rained all night, steady in what a desert dweller might call moderate to heavy. Yeah, no signs of letting up, so I tried to help Shelly get more things out of the way inside, hoping as usual it would subside quickly. That's not gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen.
We have to be out by 11 a.m. and it's getting close. So out I went and wet I got. But we got hooked up and started out of the park. Now it lets up some. But the skies are still angry. It's a short drive to the next park. We get our space assignments for where we'll be the next 10 days and move over to it and back in. With Shelly and Grizz's help, it went pretty smooth. She got back in the truck to get Grizz and the skies opened up again. No way to wait it out. I went out to get soaked and finished the setup. By the time I'd finished, a new change of clothes was in order. Later in the afternoon, there were a few dry moments, so we took a ride over to Chuck and Cari's to pick up a package for our awning motor
Hey, the
cover.
parts came.
Oh, great. Perfect. Excellent. Oh, let's open this thing up. Let's see if it's what we ordered.
Now what's supposed to be in the box again?
It's going to be the motor covers for the awning. Can you get help? You're a very good help. Yeah. Here, you can have the box. How does that sound? There you go. It's all yours. Are you going to help with this too? Okay, you get so much wonderful help. Does this look like it's right? Can you give me an okay on it? Yeah? Well, There's the back side. How does that look? Yeah? Is that one alright? How about the front side? You gonna agree with that? You give me an approval? It's all shiny and pretty, huh?
So how does it connect together to cover up the motor?
These two clips snap into a slot on the back of the motor arm, right there. And then these two clips hold on to this. There's two little scallops right there that go into buddy here. You're giving me a push job into that right there, so it clamshells down. And the part on our old one that's bad, there's these pieces. They've just worn out over time, and then when you push it down, it snaps into place and that holds it. And this was the part I was complaining about that I could see flapping in the wind all the time. It covers up that little metal C-ring, C-clip that goes down into there and holds the awning shaft onto the motor assembly and the gearbox assembly. And this was always loose. It should be pushed down and locked into place to help prevent that from accidentally slipping out. And you could see that piece sticking up about that high so that it wouldn't connect. And this was done at the dealer when they got, you're a very big help, mister. When they got the new awning in from Grand Design, they never pushed it into the right place. We're very, very lucky we didn't lose our awning at 65 miles an hour. Okay, let's go out and put it together. We'll be done with this. It started raining again by the time we got back to the RV. This is day 2, and it's still raining. Folks, the desert here averages 10 inches of rain a year. It feels like we beat that mark in the last few days. I mean, listen to that. I may have to change my name to Noah. I wonder if they make pontoons that'll fit this RV. I was hoping to get the awning motor covers on. Day 3. Skies have cleared, and did I mess up? Here, watch. And I was so proud of myself. See, that's that pin. Here comes that bear.
For example, on this brown bear hunt, when this huge sow charged us, and my guide had to shoot right in front of it trying to divert the charge. One of the things that didn't make that show is that his gun
Hey, welcome back. Oops. It would help if I put it on. And we met here too, because we were parked right down there.
But I think I got your car up.
Yeah?
But it was like,
You know what they did? They sent us the wrong one.
Are you serious? How did they send us the wrong one?
Hold on a second.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure, because this... Oh, no, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
See, this is supposed to be on the other side, and it's the
So it's the one for
that side, and I specifically told them the motor side. Part ordered. How can there be so many parts that look so alike yet still be so different? It doesn't work. It's for the idler, not the motor side. Dang. After hours, so I just get online and order what side it should be, the motor side. They're both pretty sun damaged. I'll just replace them both. That's the motor and the idler side. All right, so we're going to take the covers that we were going to use on the other side, and because these are old and kind of worn out, we're going to go ahead and replace them with those. I've got the new covers on order for the motor side. This one's called the idler side. And to take it off, just to squeeze right here, which I just already did, and that releases it so that this clams down and comes off. And these little grabbers right there grab those tits on the inside and hold it tight so that it doesn't get away. Well, because they've been in the sun forever, it kind of wears out. So there's two loose, and this one comes right off. Some Spidey's been building a nest in there. Sorry, Spider-Man. The next day, I get back up and pull the idler covers off. And wait a second, not again. Neither is going to work. There is a difference that I hadn't noticed. I tried calling to cancel the latest order, and I'm too late. It's already shipped. Guess what? Sending it back will incur postage and restocking fees. I'll just try to sell them on eBay. This part comes out a little bit more.
Side by side, so
What do you
you
think?
can see. Otherwise, scallop on the inside. Scallop on the inside.
If you look at the inside, you can see that this is actually deeper than this part here.
So we have to send these back.
Maybe. Well, the idler side's original covers snap back on, but I have to gorilla tape the motor side on. I think I found the right ones, but need to do some more research to be certain. Don't want to do this again. This has been a total fail on my part, and a big waste of time. We're out about $50, but it has been so frustrating. You can't really tell by glancing at it, but I know, and still want to get it right. Guys, we wanted you to see that things don't always go as planned, or as smooth as we'd like. Hope you're smiling. I am. Now, see you back here next week. Thank you for watching OLT, us. Please, travel safe.